I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Ishika. I'll be going to do a fun video today. In today's video, as you read by the title, I'm going to try a few fun recipes with you all, which I have taken from Instagram Reels. Before we getting started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you can also follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dig in. So we are going to start with our first recipe. You know guys, I'm such a big fan of these kind of bowls, but I haven't tried them yet. So I have decided to make them today. This recipe that I came across looks super simple and easy to prepare, but I'm going to change it a little bit according to my taste. So it's time for breakfast and I'm going to try two recipes in my breakfast. So first is that bowl and second is these egg sandwiches. I'm super excited to try them out because they are so different and they're a great healthy option to have. Without further ado, let's try our recipe.
We playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I don't care, I'm gonna lose it. You're gonna lose this. I hate myself sometimes. Everything's on the line. This is I don't care, I'm saying it. No, I can't find the time. Promise I'm gonna lose this. When I say it, I ain't be playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this.
So guys, our meal is ready. To be honest, this looks super tempting to me and I can't wait to try this. So let's have first bite. Guys, this is too yummy. I definitely gonna suggest you guys to try this out. और of course इसमें मेरा favorite fruit mango है, तो of course this would be my favorite dish. And chocolate. So it's time to try our next meal. Here it is. Cuties. मुझे वैसे बॉइल्ड एग्स खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता. अब मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ कि मैं ऑमलेट खाऊँ. बट आफ्टर एडिंग वेजिटेबल्स इन इट, उससे ये और फ्रेश हो गया है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द सॉसेस मेड इट यमी. बट गाइस, मुझे ये सीड्स बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगे. सो जब मैं प्रिपेयर कर रही थी तो मैंने टेस्ट किए थे सीड्स, सो इसलिए मैंने इसमें नहीं डाले वो सीड्स. आई विल रेट दिस रेसिपी 7 out of 10 because जो मैंने बिस्किट डाले थे वो soggy हो गए उसमें mix हो गए, which I don't like about it. But anyways, it is yummy. So I'm gonna finish my meal and see you in the next one. Bye. So guys, it's time to prepare our next meal. If you know me, I love having wraps. But the main problem is she used tortilla in it. But tortilla wasn't available at my home. So I'm going to make something like that by my own. So let's hope for the best. I'm going to add different stuffing in it. Like I'm going to add paneer and Szechuan sauce and etc. So let's start.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't play the monster. No matter what you tell yourself. I should have known. Wait, what? We could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. You feel a type of way, well that's fantastic. Nothing to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends, we're so done. It never ends. Having fun. Oh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster. No matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could.
So let me drink this bath. Actually, I have prepared 2 recipes this time. Like one is this wrap and another one is this rose lemonade. I added I added rose syrup in it. So it's time to taste, guys. Taste of the stuffing is very nice, but जो ये है tortilla या जो भी मैंने बनाया है, this is too crusty. मतलब ये टूटा जा रहा है मेरे को pieces में, which I don't like about it. So I'll rate this recipe 8 out of 10 just because of this crusty tortilla, I guess. I'll rate this recipe, this drink 10 out of 10 because this is so refreshing. So yeah guys, I'm going to finish it and see you in the next meal. Time for next recipe. I think this is something that I like and enjoy to have, which is chicken burgers. Few days back I prepared these after watching this reel and they turned out really amazing. So it's gonna be yummy as dinner.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it.
stop talking and have my meal. Oh god, that's exciting. Guys, that chicken burger recipe is my most favorite recipe among all. I really enjoyed making this video, guys. And if you enjoyed watching it, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video. Bye.
Get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra.